Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Dewalt Holiday Deals 2021. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes guys, we got a whole bunch of stuff, Dewalt stuff. We're gonna have a whole new video tomorrow with all the rest of the store deals, the gift section, gift holiday section, however you want to call it. This is just the Dewalt section. It's just so big. There's a lot to cover in here. A lot of flexible buy one get one free holiday deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we do have this $14.97 black and gold. Then we have this 130 piece max fit set there. Very complete kit. Does have some titanium bits, some regular bits. You got 1988 for the 4-pack trigger clamp set. So I don't know if they're going to bring this back. Probably, chances are they're probably going to just bring this back. This is something we did see this, I believe, the spring Black Friday. I believe we saw that this year. 1988 for the 2-pack of Fat Maxes Stanley. You guys know these are solid as a rock. These are pretty much standard job site tape measures. You got the Dewalt Tub System 2.0. Really nice. I don't know if they're going to have a sale on these. These did not have a price. Seems like they just rolled out all these deals at this store. If you guys don't know, this is the only store here in Phoenix, Arizona that has this holiday deals. Some of the prices were not out yet on some of the items. This was one of the items that was just put there. I don't know if they're going to have a Tow System 2.0 deal. Same thing with this. This did not have a price, but we are going to see the price later on in this video. This is an Organizer's IP53 rated. It's a 10 compartment removable bins, 17.5 by 14. So definitely check it out. It's pretty nice. If they put this on Black Friday, I believe last year they had it for $9. 1997 for this Touch System 2.0 deep compact organizer. This is a really nice organizer. It is compatible with the Touch System. So make sure you guys check it out if that's what you're into. If you're in that line. It's a really nice little, actually it's not that little, it's pretty large. You guys know that yellow tab in the middle, you guys do have to lift that up in order for you to stack it up. That's the way you lift it up, and then you can stack it against that. And then you can lock it in as a regular Tow System lock there. And I did leave you guys the audio so you guys will hear it snap. That's the way it snaps in, and that's the way it snaps on the back there too. So and that's how you release it. So pretty nice, I gotta say. It fits really nice. Fits like a glove. $79 for this 18-gauge brand nailer. This is Dewalt. It does come with a nice case. So it is a precision point brand nailer, as Dewalt calls it. Alright guys, this is a really good deal. This is the right angle attachment. Remember, we saw this last year. A lot of us did not get this deal because it was sold out. But check this out. It's $9.88, guys. $9.88. That right angle by itself is over $20-something. So you're getting a half price, more than half price. Plus, you're getting all these bits for free. So 36 piece here. Lots of bits there. You got a nice Tic Tac case there, and that is the right angle attachment that is more than $20-something. So definitely check a lot of smaller bits, 1-inch bits, and a magnetic sleeve there. And like I said, a lot of little bits. That's a really good value. If you guys see it, snatch it because it will disappear. The people will grab this thing left and right. As soon as it drops down on the floor, it's gonna disappear. I'm pretty sure these deals were just dropped that day or the night before I did this video, because all these were complete. $249 for this impact wrench kit. It is the kit, so it does come with the charger and a battery. This is the made in the USA. This is a 1/2 inch. You guys do see it does come with the 4 amp hour battery, and it looks like it comes with the standard charger. So that's the DCF 899. Then they had this box. This was $89. This is the bigger toolbox. And guys, $19.97, that's the price for that organizer, the Dewalt organizer. Alright guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. This is the Dewalt hacks, deals, holiday deals, however you want to call it. You got three 2 amp hour battery or two 3 amp hour batteries for $99. You got a 4, a 2, a 6 for $149. You got two 6 amp hour flexible batteries for $179. You got a rear handle warm style kit for $249. That is a killer deal. It does come with a 6 amp hour battery. I don't know why it says a 2. It's not really a 2, it's a 6. This is the free tools you guys could select. You guys could select the blower, the angle grinder, the oscillating tool. You can select the router, the sander, the circ saw. That is the flexible circ saw. That is the jigsaw. So you guys can select a lot of tools. You guys have a lot of variation, especially with those flexible tools. Let me tell you, you're getting your money's worth. Those are one of the better. Those are $200 tools. Especially that angle grinder is one of the newest ones that they have out. And that flexible advantage circ saw. Those are the tools I would definitely shoot for. And then you got that flexible advantage reciprocating saw. That is one of the newer tools too. Got the quarter sheet sander. You got a 6 amp hour battery, flexible battery, 60 volt and 20 volt. You got a light there. This I believe is a 20 volt. Yeah, it is a 20 volt. I thought it was a multi-volt, but no, it's a 20 volt test light. Alright, so $5.99 is going to get you 3 tools, guys. They're killing it this year. They are killing it. You're getting all flexible tools except for the circ saw. You are getting a battery, a flexible battery, a 5, I believe it's a 5. For this one, you get the hammer drill with the flexible battery. You're getting a charger. And you get the 887 for $3.99. You're getting 2 tools for free, guys. 2 tools. And then you got the $199 kit. You get, I believe, a 6 and a 4, a charger, and a bag. You get 1 free tool. Let's go over the tools. Let's look at the deals that we're going to be getting for free. They're advertising there that they're getting their, obviously their 9 amp hour battery. I thought, there was a 9 amp hour battery in this deal, but it's not, from my understandings. Alright, so this is the angle grinder. This is the flexible angle grinder for $199. As you guys see that there, that's the. Alright, so let's start. That's the circ saw and the blower, and that's the other flexible tool. So those are all the flexible tools that you guys can get. That's the reciprocating saw that we saw at the bottom there. So those are really good deals. Definitely check it out. Obviously wait for your store to have this. This store is the only store in Phoenix, Arizona. Probably one of the only stores, one of the few only stores that they have it in the whole country here in the United States. Alright, so this is the twin pack of 3 amp hour batteries. It looks like you do get the wider, the newer cells, 21700 cells. Correct me if I'm wrong at the comments. You're getting this for $99. You guys see they're pretty wide. I think these are the 21700 cells. Regular price $149. Now check this out for a comparison. See, this is how you can tell if you're getting the newer batteries or the 12700 cells between against the 18650s, which is the smaller ones, the older ones. So you guys see there, the bottom battery is much wider than the ones on the top. That is how you can tell the difference between the older and the newer ones. The newer ones are fatter, bigger, fatter. So you guys see the ones on the top, they are both the same and they are narrower. So that 6 amp hour battery there, it's telling you that you're getting that upgraded battery on this pack. You are getting the older battery, 4 amp hour battery, and the 2 on the top. For $149, still a great deal on that 3 pack. That's the rear handle warm drive circ saw, $249. It was actually sold out, or they didn't have any in stock. That is one of the deals I wanted to get because that thing's a beast. That rear handle 60 volt circ saw, that thing's just a beast. Alright, so you got the $149. You got the Dewalt Blower, 450 CFM, tool only. This thing's a beast too, guys. You guys know Dewalt, 450 CFM. That is solid for an 18 volt tool. You got the jigsaw here, $169, regular price $199. But then again, these are all the tools you guys can select for free with all the purchase of those kits on the top. So you got the router here, $169. Regular price $199. You got the oscillating tool. This is the Atomic series oscillating tool 139. I do have this oscillating tool. That thing's amazing. It's really smooth. I really love it. Toolless blade change. It's amazing tool. You got the sander 139, the quarter sheet sander, $99. Obviously, then you got the light there for 99. Obviously, you want to shoot for the tools that are more expensive, so you guys can get your money's worth out of these combo deals kits. Buy one, give one free, heck, however you want to call them. You got the 6 amp hour battery. You got the 4 amp hour battery. You got a charger. That is the 20 volt max starter kit. That is the cheapest kit, $199 kit you guys can buy and get yourself a free tool. Definitely, like I said, go for the flex bolts. They are gonna sell out. We already got some rumors this year that they're gonna run low in stock. So make sure you guys pick them up. Don't cry. Just make sure you guys as soon as they have it in your store, make sure you guys pick it up. This is the flex bolt circ saw or reciprocating saw. My bad. That is the flexible circ saw at the bottom. As you guys do see, those tools are $199. Those are $200 tools. And you're going to get them for, if you guys do the math right correctly, you guys are going to get the battery kit for $100, and you guys are going to get that tool kit for $100. You get 3 tools if you guys buy that flexible tool combo kit there at the bottom, $599. So if you guys buy this $600 kit, you guys are going to get 3 tools, guys. So definitely jump on it. That is the flexible circ saw. It does come with an electric brake. That is the top of the line Dewalt 887 impact driver with the 5 amp hour battery, and then you do get a 6 flex volt battery. You get a fast charger, 6 amp fast charger. Get a bag, then you get that battery. You get the DCF, I believe 999. I do have that one. That thing's just a beast. It's amazing. It's just a tank basically. It'll rip through anything, concrete, whatever you put on it. That is a big heavy tool. So that is the tool that you can get 2 tools for free. That is $399. That's still a great deal, and that is the cheaper tool or the cheaper deal. You can get 1 tool free tool with $299 or yeah $199. All right, you got the Rio kit, the chalk kit, $997, and then you do got the drywall saws. You got some nice handles there, nice rubber handles. And then you got the chalk here in the refill kit. It's a 4-ounce refill kit. As you guys see, 6-in-1. It does have that. It says prevent spills. So all kinds prevents jams. It's 100 feet in length, 30 meters. Lifetime warranty. So definitely check it out. All right, this is the older deals. You guys seen this? Probably do still have these at your stores. You got a quarter sheet sander for $99. You got a circ saw for $139. You got a jigsaw for $169. You got impact driver drill driver XR $119. You got a router $169. You got impact, looks like an impact wrench 3/8 $169. You got a 4 amp hour battery $99. And then the ones on the right, you get the tower light $179. It is like the Milwaukee rocket light, but it is Dewalt. You got the SDS 1-inch hammer $249. You got the impact driver drill driver, I believe. You get a 4 and a 2. It says right there $249. Then you got the deep cut bandsaw $249. As you guys see there, that is the circ saw $139. Remember, guys, you guys are getting those flexible tools for the price of these tools, even cheaper than these tools. So I'm just showing you guys the prices. You guys do the math yourselves. Those are killer deals, guys. Dewalt's just killing it this year with all these amazing deals. I'm gonna try and get all those 3 free tools. I will see how that works. But yeah, guys, that's just amazing. That is the SDS 1-inch SDS Max rotary hammer $249. So you guys see the difference? Alright, here's some more examples of what these tools actually cost. That is the circ saw. As you guys see, that is the regular circ saw. It does come with the flexible battery and a charger. It is $299. So you guys do the math. Same thing with that's the same one. And then you got the reciprocating saw to the right. Tool only is 99 bucks, 199. So tool only is 199. All right. You get the angle grinder there at the bottom. It's 199 too. That is the reciprocating saw you guys are getting for free. If you guys, that is the flexible reciprocating saw. That is the flexible circ saw that you guys are getting for free. So definitely check it out. All right, that is the hammer drill. Hammer drill combo, $3.99, and then you got the hammer drill by itself, which I didn't get the price, but you guys could expect a lot of money, pay a lot of money if you're not gonna get this deal. So yeah, guys, like I said, don't wait for the last minute. Make sure you guys pick them up. You guys can return. I believe you do have 90 days to return them. Return them if you change your mind. So guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube wrestling platform by subscribers and likes. And also guys, we are gonna have more videos. I do have one more. Hopefully I can fit everything in one more video for tomorrow. For the rest of the gift center, however you want to call it, the gift center, the gift section. Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.